So in the last video, we understand how we can create the package, how we can create the modules, and how we can import it in another module. Okay. Let's talk about how actually the process happens. Let's understand all these things one by one, step by step. Okay. So first of all, as we already know, Python is an interpreted language, so it does all this thing line by line. So when you're going to execute this code, execute this file, first line is saying from this package import M1, M2, and M3. So because you can see here from package 2024 import M1, M2, M3. First of all, the enter because we have not defined anything here. First of all, the interpreter starts checking the current working directory to check whether this package is available or not. So first of all, the interpreter is going to check whether in the current working directory this package is available or not. So you can see the current working directory is desktop. In our desktop we have this package pkg2024. Okay, and if it is available in the current working directory, it is going to check whether these modules are available in the package or not. So yes, all these modules are also available in the package. Done. Now then m1 dot, the next line is m1 dot add 5 comma 3. Now it will check whether inside that m1 module we have add function or not. So you can see here, yes, inside that m1 module we have that add function where we have two parameters. Here. Okay, here you can see we have two parameters, 5 and 3. Okay, now if formal is equal to actual, it execute the line. So yes, formal is equal to actual. Here we have two parameters. There also we have two parameters. So it execute whatever inside it, which is print addition a plus b, which is 5 plus 3, which is 8, and so on. All these things work like that. Okay, now but the problem here is, what if we do not have that package in this current working directory? Suppose what I am saying. So now what happens here, from pkg import m1, m2, m2, suppose this package is not available in the current working directory. Then what happens? This is my question. Okay, suppose this package is not in my current working directory. This is my file, and the current working directory of this file is this desktop where this package is available. So I'm going to cut this package from here. I'm going to paste it inside this uh, Python folder here, okay? Or maybe inside this data files, okay? Or maybe in this XYZ. Let's see. Control V. Okay, now you can see in my current working directory of this file, there is no package called pkg2024. Okay, let's see now what happens. Run this code. Now you can see we are getting one error, which is basically module not found error. Module not found error, no module named package 2024. Now what happens? In this case, basically what happens is whenever you are checking here, that from pkg import m1, m2, m3, it is going to check whether in the current working directory we have this package or not. So in this case, in my current working directory, we do not have that package. Now, then what happens? It is just after that, it checks our Python file. Wherever you install Python in your system, it is going to check whether in Python we have this package or not. And if inside the Python also this package is not available, then only it gives you the error which is called module not found error. Okay, so the thing is, what if suppose now every time it is not possible to store the package in the same directory, in the current working directory. So if we want to store if we want to create a package and we want to access it anywhere in the system, anywhere we want to import, always try to store the package in the Python itself. So first of all, we need to understand where our Python is installed. Okay, let's cut this file from here. cut it and let's paste it in my Python. So my Python is installed in this location, C drive. Users, you need to understand where your Python is installed. 91798. Now I need app data here. So click on hidden items. First view and then hidden items, because app data is a hidden folder. Click on it, local programs, where I have my Python. Okay. So I'm working on 3.10, and there is a proper location to store any package, which is inside library, site packages. Inside the site package, you can store your any package here. Okay, so you can see here, I already stored multiples of the package by myself. See, all these packages are created by me. Okay, so it's done. Now, let's run this code once again. Now, again, in my current working directory, we do not have that package here. All the hidden items are there. Okay, but we do not have that package here. Okay, let's run this code now. And you can see now we are not getting that error. Why? Because it is available in a Python file. First of all, it is going to check the current working directory. In current working directory, we do not have that folder. So in this case, it is going to check in our Python. And because in Python this is available, it is able to access the data from, access the package from there. And we are able to use it. So this is the way by which you can access it. And that is why you can see all these packages. You can see see, we have PyWhatKit, SciPy, all these packages are available in our Seaborn, SciPy, setup tools, all these available in our Python file itself, because TensorFlow, Terminado, okay, all these are available in my site package inside Python, because now from anywhere we can import it directly. Speech recognition Streamlit, okay? So this is the way by which you can do this. So now after storing it in your Python folder, you can import any package from anywhere. You can import the package in your file. Okay. So this is also a way. So try to create your own package by itself, okay, by yourself. Store it in your Python and then try to import it anywhere in the system. Okay. So this is how you can create a package and you can create a module. Okay, thank you.